Why is that some people have everything and others nothing? Why are some people leaders and others not? The main difference between winners and not winners is that winners, like leaders, they have a different attitude towards difficulties and they have the ability to influence others. Most people don't choose difficult tasks, but leaders, they do. Before we go on, this channel is for people looking for freedom on all levels and want to build their dream business in order to have the freedom they need to really enjoy their life and to influence the world so that they can make this world, a better place. Everybody has a leader potential, but leaders, they like difficulties because it's not difficulties for them, it's interesting, challenging tasks. But most of people, they try to hide from difficulties and avoid spending energy. It comes from our past when, energy was so important that if you spend too much and don't get the food, then you might die. The situation in the world has changed to some degree, so in most of cases, we can spend as much energy as we want and still don't die of hunger, But our bodies are still functioning in the same old way, trying to save the energy. And that's the reason why people choose occupations where they don't need to do much. And this is a trap because people change their life for something ordinary, even though they want to have an extraordinary life. We choose things which are simple and easy to do, but to have a better life, we need to do something different. And we also need a different attitude towards our life. We need to start asking ourselves uncomfortable questions like, what will be or what will happen when I start embracing difficult situations and challenges in my life? Saying yes to those and going through them. Will I be able to be a good example for others and influence people in this way? These kind of questions. People who ask those questions, they have a special, extraordinary life. And people who don't ask those questions, they have an ordinary life. And you deserve more than that. In my book on personal development, I talk a lot on what you need to do to improve your life and to become a leader. Meaning that you will be able to handle difficulties and you will be able to inspire people to find their own potential, to discover what they have. And this way, you become happy yourself and others become happy too. So make sure you check my book. It's on Amazon. The link is in the description below. I'm sure it can help you make this, next step in your personal development to be happy and make this world a better place. Leaders are not afraid. They're always, first. They understand the situation and they go for it. And this way they inspire others to do the same. So make sure you discover your own potential, you open it up, because you are also a leader. And you can be a leader in different spheres. You can be a leader in your family, taking care of your kids and your spouse, and making sure that everybody is happy, including yourself. When your actions improve other people's lives, like your children, for example, or your husband or wife, it's already being a leader. It's already a special, extraordinary life. If you make others dream bigger, then you are a leader. So how can you discover your potential of being a leader? First, you need to dream big and to set a goal which seem to be almost impossible, but still possible, in your life. And this goal should be something that also helps others, can influence others for the better. And then you just take steps to follow this goal. Let me know in the comments if this resonated with you. Make sure you subscribe to this channel not to miss other videos of mine. And meanwhile, watch my video on how to reach your goals. This one here. So I will see you in that video.